YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video. And today's video is all about this glam holiday look for this holiday season. So if you want to see how I created today's look, just stay tuned.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.
Alright, so let's get started. And I'm going to start by priming my eyes using my Eloise Thank Me Not eyeshadow primer. And I really do love this stuff. And a little goes a long way. So this is going to last for a while. Okay. And I got this out of my BoxyCharm. Can't remember which month, but I'll have that video linked up above. Okay. I'll just get that all on my eye. And we're going to have fun today. Oh, where'd the top? Oh, here it is. We're going to have fun with some makeup today. So I'm going to be using my Violet Voss palette that I got out of my BoxyCharm. And these are the pretty shades right here. So I'm excited to play around with this. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a number. And I'm going to go into the shade, let's do Teddy, which is this brown shade right here. I did play with this palette before, but it's just, this palette is so pretty. And so easy to make a nice, simple, fun, simple, fun, glam look. So I'm just going to put that in my crease, and we're just going to buff that out, just going back and forth, windshield wiper motions. You can do circular motions if you like, but I'm just doing windshield wiper motions because I'm just using this as a transition shade in my crease. Super pretty. Let's make sure everything is nice. Alright, and then now, let's see. So I'm going to use this brush by LUXSB. It's their 231 small tapered blending brush. And I'm going to go into that shade Chocolate. And just kind of focus more on the outside corner. And like that deep fold of my crease. So that's where I'm focusing this color on. Kind of like the outer V or U, C, whatever shape you want to make. Because you can make a V here. You can make a C, a U. But I'm focusing this color right in this area. And just drag what's left on the brush in. Super cute. And just drag that in. And just focus on this area right here, because that's what we're deepening up. Super cute. I love fall and the holidays. I love all seasons actually, especially for makeup. You can create pretty looks in the fall, the spring, the winter. I mean the summer. It's just so, I just love makeup. And lately I've been getting into nails, and I've been loving that too, and just creating different fun designs. So now that we got that done, I'm going to go into this other LUXSB brush. It's a 246 Precision Crease brush. And I'm going to go into that shade Champagne right here. And then put this all over my lid. Oh, this is really... So this brush did pretty well with the shimmer shade. I'm not mad at that. But I do like how it is precise in the crease. So I think this would be good for like maybe cutting the crease with concealer or so forth. But yeah. And I like this champagne color. It's just got, in the pan it looks more pink. But when you put it on, it's like champagne-y gold. So I do like that. Just kind of get that all over the lid. Focus on that crease area. Good. Now I'm going to go back in with the Morphe brush. I don't have a number. And I'm not going to put any product on it, but I'm just going to sweep and make sure everything is blended at the top. There's no harsh lines of demarcation or anything of that nature. Alright, so we got that going. So now we're going to line the eyes. Okay, so I went on and lined my eyes using my, where is it? Flirty Gurl Lashes Luxury Bonding Liner. Make sure it focuses. My Flirty Gurl Lashes Luxury Bonding Liner. And I got my lashes in Seductive on. These are the 25mm lashes in Seductive. So I have those on and I'm going to put my lips on. And I'm going to try out something that I haven't worn before. This is by AOA, which is AOA. It's a Wonder Metal Liquid Lipstick, and this is in shade Diamond, and this is from Shop Miss A, so it was $1. And I want to try this cute little metallic lip out and just see how it goes. I think it's cute for the holidays. Oh, nice little holiday glam lip. Oh, I like this. And I have this in several colors because y'all know when your girl buys something, I buy it in multiples. But I wasn't sure how it would, you know, look. And I haven't worn them. It really feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. So, yeah, I'm like early. It's not cakey feeling. It's not like drying. It doesn't feel, what's the word I'm looking for? Tight. It doesn't feel like, it feels real creamy. Kind of like when I'm putting this on, it feels like the NYX Butter Gloss, but just without the gloss portion of it. But I do like this. So, super cute. What do you guys think? Cute glam look for the holidays. Nothing too much. Super easy, super simple. I really do like it. I love how the lips came out. Super cute. You can even just wear those lips and just do probably like a brown smoky eye or just a brown all over eye. But I do like how this look came out. So comment down below, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the Violet Voss palette? What do you guys think about this lip shadow in Diamond, this liquid metallic lip from Shop Miss A? It's the AOA Studio brand. But yeah, I'm so in the holiday spirit. So I am having a giveaway, for a holiday giveaway for the holiday season. So if you haven't seen that, I'll have that video linked up above and down below. Go on and check that out and enter for your chance to win some nice goodies for the holiday season. The giveaway will be ending December 16th. So go on and check that video out. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.